Triggers are specific actions that will generate a specific response from the system. GoContact has some pre-configured triggers, but you have the option to create additional triggers as needed. To create an additional trigger, select Add Trigger. Next, you'll need to choose the condition that will initiate the trigger. It can be when a client sends a chat message, when a client starts a chat, or when the client loses connection. Next, you'll need to choose the action or what happens once that trigger is initiated. You can unregister the client and close the chat, or send a message to the client. You can create a delay in hours, minutes, and seconds between the time the trigger is initiated and the action is deployed. In this case, we'll do 10 seconds. So we have 0 hours, 0 minutes, and 10 seconds. Once a client sends a chat message, after 10 seconds, the system will automatically send a message to the client. Next, we need to enter a trigger name. This will be used internally, and a display name. This is what the customer or client will see. And then we need to enter the message. You can also enter a description for internal purposes. Once you've configured your trigger, hit save. Once saved, the grid above will show all the triggers you have configured for this web chat. You can see the name of the trigger, when the trigger deploys, what happens upon deployment, the display name, the message, the delay, and then you also have the option to either edit or delete the trigger. You can search for a specific trigger and also select the number of triggers that are viewable on this page. The last step to configuring our web chat channel is to add agents. To do that, we click on Queue. The queue is where we configure the users that are going to work within this web chat channel. To do that, we're going to click on Edit under Actions. Under Users Selected, we'll search for the users that we want to work in our web chat channel. Once you've added your users or agents to work in the channel, click Save. And you can see here that you have 3 users assigned to work in this web chat channel. Once your entire channel has been configured, click Save, and you'll be able to view it here under Channels. The last step in configuring our web chat channel is to copy the plugin information to add to the console within your web page. To do that, you'll hit the copy button next to the web chat channel you want to add to your web page. And you're going to copy the second from the top through the second from the bottom line. Click Copy to Clipboard, and this is what you'll paste in the console within your web page.